This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening the Reminders app and creating a list. This organizes tasks by context. Tap the plus button to add a reminder and type the core action. Once done, set a due date so the system knows when to notify you. Choose time or date. You should enable notifications in Settings Reminders so alerts appear. Also use Siri for hands-free entry, which speeds capture and reduces forgetting. Say, "Remind me to," and confirm. Next, open a reminder and tap the information icon to add specifics. This is where you turn a note into an actionable item. Choose a precise time, deadline, priority level, and add notes so you remember context. Then configure repeating schedules, daily or custom, or use location-based triggers to alert you when arriving or leaving a place. You can attach photos, links, or create subtasks for multi-step items. These keep complex tasks organized and make completion straightforward. Finally, organize with smart lists and tags so you filter tasks by date, tag, or priority. This reduces noise. Share lists with people and assign reminders to collaborators to distribute work. Make sure they accept sharing. Once set, review iCloud Sync to keep reminders across devices and archive completed items periodically. If notifications don't appear, check Focus or Do Not Disturb, verify reminders notifications are allowed, and confirm iCloud Sync is enabled so your items and alerts stay consistent across your devices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.